Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to write letters. And to write letters, actually, I would really love to record a video like myself doing writing letters on a dashboard, on a white dashboard, and or let's say whiteboard, not dashboard. And I would really love to do that, but not now because I don't have these tools yet, and I'm gonna get it very soon. And to promise you to record you a video where I can show you how to write exactly, and that's gonna me who will do that. But I just need more time to do that because I'm a lot of mess now, and I can't do this at the moment. So that's why I have a video for you where it's gonna show you how you guys how you start with writing the first letter, or for example any letter at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word, etc. Now what you guys seeing here is the first word says kitabat and then al-ahruf. So it's kitabat al-ahruf. Kitabat al-ahruf means writing letters. What letters we're talking about? We're talking about our alphabets that we just learned previously. And in order to do that, pretty good, I have this video for you here. I'm going to show you this video. And this video actually, I mean, it's not the perfect one, but it really is going to help you. It's going to help you like with the writing and etc. So let's start here with the video. As you can see, the letters over here, or let me pause the video on each letter, so really this is going to be better for you. So we're going to start with the first one, which is alif, and as you can see, it's very simple. All what you have to do is to slide, and alif at the end of the word is like that. And remember that this is the connector, because we can connect letters from here. So let me use the pen. We can, for example, connect B here, but okay, it's going to be like that. But we cannot connect any letters there. So basically B here is going to be like that. It's not going to be connected because we do not connect letters after. And then let me erase all of these. And then we have B, which is at the beginning of the word, just like that. B. And if it was at the mid of the word, you just need to add connector here. And then we have B, which is the simple B, which becomes at the end of the word and when it's not separated. Like, for example, if I want to write door in Arabic, it's called bab. So bab have two B's. The first one, bab, so the first B is connected with alif, ba, and then B, which is not connected with anything. So bab is a door in Arabic, bab. So as you can see here, the B just started here. It is connected with alif. Sorry about my lovely handwriting. And then the next B, it's not connected because after alif, we do not connect any letters. So let's continue watching the video. Then we have T and Th, both the same, just like B. And oops, sorry about that. I went to the other side of the slide. I want to show you here something with a T. Again, I'm sorry, I just noticed that the play is somehow at exactly almost the same as switching a slide. So I hope now this time is gonna work. Cool, now it's gonna work. So look here at the T. This T is at the end of the word, at the end of the word, okay? But also there is words that use this T at the end. So we have two types of words which use this T at the end and the other T at the end. Now this T at the end, you spell it. You spell it. Like for example, akalat, she ate, akalat. So I'm saying akalat T at the end because we're using this T. But if we're going to use this T, for example, and this T, we do not spell it. For example, tawila, which means table, tawila, and at the end I'm saying tawila. I'm not saying T at the end, even though tawila ends with this T. Now, however, this is not going to be very complicated. There's a lot of examples on the future videos that you're going to see, and you're going to notice that we don't spell this and when we are going to use it or where. Now let's continue with the video, and we have this T also at the end of the word that we don't spell it, but this one does not connect with anything, and the previous one have connector here, as you can see. And then we have what is this? This is th, just like at the beginning of the word, and the normal th. And then we have h. Do you see how we start writing h? Look, at the beginning we start writing it from the middle to the right to the left. This h, and it's also for the j and for kh. Those three letters have all the same drawing, but different points. And this is j, and this is how you write j at the end of the word, or if it's connected, so you connect it from here. And also it's going to be the same for h, as you can see, and then almost also for the kh. Three letters have the same drawing. Then we have the, and this, the, in the middle of the word, it have a connector, but after the, you do not add any letters. You do not add any letters after the, only before you put the connector. So let's start again from here. You see how did I start writing the, and the also the same. The have also the same thing. Now this is r, and as you can see r, we start like that at the middle, at the beginning of the word, and also at the end of the word if it's not connected with anything, and in the mid we put a connector on the right side. So let's see now. This is the connector at the right side. You see that? We put the connector and then r. Also for the z, same everything, just like r. And we have seen here. Let's see the s. So this is s and sh also at the beginning. It looks like that, but sh have 3 points on it. You're gonna see it now in the video. And this is the normal s when it's become to the end of the word, or if you want to connect it, you put a connector here. So exactly the same for the sh, as you can see. Also the same. Also the same for sa, almost have the same like s and h, and for the da, but a point on it. Then we have ta. Did you see how we start writing ta? We first start with the circle, and then we put this line above it. And also for the, the same. And if you want to connect it, you can just connect it by a connector here or by a connector here. Then start at the beginning of the word, as you can see how it starts. And at the end of the word, at the mid of the word, as you can see, remember, it's fully black from inside. No empty circles. And then at the end of the word, which is the that we know. And also for the r, have the same thing. The same thing for the r. Now, did you see the difference between those two ending? This is the end for r and r without connecting any letters before. But if you do connect, then it's going to be like that. So this is connected and at the end of the word, both. Now, let's see. Then we have f, which is this one. Did you see how this starts? So we start with the circle, an empty circle, and a point on it. And then f in the middle of the word, also empty circle. And then f at the end of the word, also if you want to connect it, is going to be connected from the right side. It's the same for f, as you can see the connector here. This is also the ending, but there's a connector here. It's the same for qaf, so let's start. Same for the qaf, same for everything, except that it has 2 points instead 1 point. Kaf, did you see how we start writing kafs? Very, very beautiful. It's like drawing. You start from here to here, and then you add this connector. This k is in the mid of the word, and this k at the end of the word. Oops, at the end of the word. But if you also have to connect it, then you put the connector on the right side. There you go. K at the end of the word, but with a connector. L is pretty simple. Also, I'm gonna start it from the beginning. This is l at the beginning of the word, l at the mid of the word, l at the end of the word, without connector, but with connector it's going to be like that. Then meme, the short meme, when you start with the word, meme in the middle, as you can see. Meme at the end of the word without connector, meme at the end of the word with connector. Noon, noon in the middle, noon at the end without connector, noon at the end with connector. Ha, which is h. Oh, again, sorry, I pressed the wrong button. So, again, h, where's h? This is noon. Yeah. This is now the h after noon. And this is how it looks like. Yes, that's the beginning of the word. That's the mid of the word. And that's the end of the word in both situations. Oh my god, I am really terribly sorry about this. It's just that the play button is very close to the next slide button. So anyway, let me pause this, and I'm gonna start doing that manually. So h at the beginning of the word, h at the mid of the word, h at the end of the word not connected to any letter, h at the end of the word connected to the letter before. Then we have wow, very simple one. Wow connected by the right side, but we do not connect it on to the left side. Then we have ya at the beginning, ya in the middle, which is e, and ya at the end of the word without connector. And if you would like to connect it, you can just put a connector to the ya on the right side. Now, well, finally, we can move to the following slide. So that was how you start writing letters. Now let me use my pen. So as you can see, this is the beginning, this is the mid, and this is the end. I wanted to show you here, if you start typing on your keyboard, you can see that after the and after z and after r, for example, the letters are not connected. As you can see, there's a space here. So because those do not connect with the letters after them. Okay, it's a bit different. For example, T, you can connect it from both sides, but the, you can only connect it from the right side, but not the left side. Also for the R, for example. Okay, so that was all about how to write. Shukran lil mutaba'a. Thanks for watching, everyone. And this is my email, my profile on Udemy. If you have any question, let me know. If you have any concern about any letter or about any other video, also just let me know, and I will answer you as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching. Shukran lil mutaba'a. And in Arabic we say arakum lahiqan, see you later. Arakum lahiqan, see you all later. Okay, so arakum lahiqan, shukran lil mutaba'a, and we'll see you on a following video.